Hello, welcome to Byte Admin. In this series of videos, we will be learning about Python programming language. Well, if you stay in this course, you will be able to write efficient Python programs. In this video, let us understand what is Python. So here is the definition of Python. Python is a general purpose, object-oriented and high-level programming language. Well, let us understand what does general purpose, object-oriented and high-level means. Python is called general purpose because it can be used in wide variety of tasks. You can use Python in order to write both front-end and back-end application. This is known as full stack web development. You can use Python for data science. You can use Python in building AI and ML model. You can use Python in software development, and also you can make use of Python in automation of your daily system tasks. So Python can also help you in automation of your tasks. Since Python is used at wide variety of places, that's why it is called general purpose programming language. Well, let us understand why Python is called object-oriented programming language. Well, object-oriented programming is a style of writing program where we break our large code into small blocks that are known as objects. Let us look what is an object is. Object is nothing but a container. It contains data and action. So, object combines both data and actions together. Let us take an example. Suppose we have a car object. As we discussed, object consists of data and actions. So we have various data like model name, fuel type, engine displacement, and so on. Similarly, we have various actions like start, stop, accelerate, and decelerate. So object combines both data and actions together. Well, programmatically, data is known as attributes, whereas actions are known as methods. So the key takeaway is object combines both data and actions together. We have learned that Python is called general purpose because it can be used in wide variety of tasks. Python is known as object-oriented because it uses objects, and objects are nothing but container that combines both data and actions together. Now let us understand why Python is called high-level programming language. Well, Python is called high-level because it is readable and easily understandable. Python uses English words. Let us look at a Python program. In this program, let us try to understand what is happening in this program. First, we have path of a file. Then here we are displaying the file path. Then we are opening the file and we are reading each line from the file. Then we are displaying the line. So basically what we are doing is we are displaying the content of a file. See how readable and easily understandable this piece of Python program is. This is because Python uses English words like print with open, as, for, in. This makes Python program very easily readable and understandable. That is why Python is called high-level programming language. Well, we have different types of programming language. We have low-level, we have middle-level, and we have high-level programming language. Low-level are not human understandable. Well, middle-level are somewhat human understandable, and high-level are completely human understandable. They are readable as well as understandable. Now let me introduce you to Guido Van Rossum. Guido, he is the creator of Python programming language. The main objective behind creation of Python programming language was to simplify the software development process and also to reduce the lines of code that are required to perform a specific task. That's why Guido created Python, in order to make software development process easy by making it more user friendly and also to reduce the lines of code that are required to perform a task. Python was released in 1991. In this video, we learned about what is Python and looked at some of the terminologies. Then, we learned about Guido Van Rossum, who is the creator of Python programming language. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.